Are you ready to enhance your communication skills? This video will guide you through essential techniques to communicate effectively in various situations. Let's dive into the key strategies that ensure clarity and understanding. Effective communication starts with understanding the basic elements: the sender, the message, the receiver, and feedback. Always aim for clarity and mutual understanding in every interaction. These elements form the backbone of successful exchanges. Ensuring clarity helps prevent misunderstandings. Feedback allows for adjustments and improved communication. Be aware of common barriers such as language differences, distractions, and assumptions. Use simple language and always check that your message has been understood. Recognizing these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. Simplifying language aids in clearer understanding. Regularly checking comprehension ensures effective communication. Clear speech improves understanding. When speaking, focus on clarity and precision. Adjust your tone, pace, and volume to suit your audience, and use positive, constructive language to engage listeners. Tailoring your delivery keeps the audience engaged. Positive language encourages open dialogue. Engage your listener by asking relevant questions, showing genuine interest, and encouraging them to participate in the conversation. Active engagement fosters a more dynamic exchange. Questions invite deeper dialogue. Showing interest builds rapport and trust. Participation encourages collaboration. Nonverbal cues like body language, eye contact, and posture play a crucial role in communication. Make sure your nonverbal signals match your words. These cues can reinforce or contradict spoken words. Consistent signals build trust. Being aware of your nonverbal communication enhances overall effectiveness. Respect personal space and be sensitive to cultural differences. This builds trust and helps avoid misunderstandings. Recognizing diversity enriches communication. Personal space varies across cultures. Sensitivity to these differences fosters inclusive interactions. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, avoiding interruptions, and reflecting back what you've heard to clarify understanding. Active listening is crucial for effective communication. Full attention shows respect. Reflecting back ensures clarity. Avoiding interruptions keeps the dialogue smooth. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue and express empathy to show you value the other person's perspective. Questions open up conversations. Empathy builds connections. Valuing perspectives enriches discussions. Open-ended questions invite more detailed responses. Empathy fosters understanding. Clarity in writing. Effective communication requires clarity, conciseness, and proofreading. In written communication, be clear and concise. Choose the right tone for your audience and always proofread your messages before sending. Clarity prevents misunderstandings. Conciseness respects the reader's time. The right tone enhances reception. Proofreading ensures professionalism. For challenging discussions, prepare ahead of time. Use I statements to express your feelings and focus on finding solutions together. Preparation eases tension. I statements express personal perspective. Solution-focused dialogue resolves issues. Collaborative solutions benefit all parties. When conflicts arise, stay calm, listen actively, and work towards solutions that benefit everyone involved. Calmness prevents escalation. Active listening shows respect. Seeking win-win outcomes fosters cooperation. Solutions should be mutually beneficial. Clarity in meetings ensures understanding. Virtual etiquette respects digital norms. Constructive feedback promotes growth. Foster a culture of open information sharing and encourage team collaboration for better results. Open sharing builds transparency. Collaboration enhances creativity. Teamwork leads to improved outcomes. Encouraging collaboration fosters innovation. Leadership skills. As a leader, develop your unique communication style. Inspire and motivate your team and handle sensitive conversations with care. Unique styles reflect authenticity. Inspiration drives motivation. Careful handling of sensitive topics builds trust. Leadership communication sets the tone. Use storytelling to connect with your audience and influence others by being authentic and relatable. Stories create connections. Authenticity builds trust. Relatability enhances influence. Storytelling is a powerful tool for engagement. Inspire your team by setting a positive example and recognizing their achievements regularly. Positive examples lead by demonstration. Recognition boosts morale. Regular acknowledgement fosters motivation. Inspiration drives team success. Continuous learning enhances communication. Remember, clarity and empathy are at the heart of effective communication. Adapt your style to your audience and keep practicing to master these skills. Clarity ensures understanding. Empathy builds connections. Adaptability enhances effectiveness. With these techniques, you are now equipped to communicate effectively in any situation. Apply these skills daily for continuous improvement. Let's move forward with confidence in our communication abilities.